Okay, this is my audition for Rain in the Night. Blah. This is my audition for Rain in the Night. Okay, so the first one I'll be doing is Wind Paw. Let me see. Yeah, Wind Paw. Golden Leaf. I overslept. Or, hold on. I overslept. Um, yeah. Great! I've never left camp before. Okay, next one is Nightpaw. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Nightpaw. You do? Was that loud enough? Let me try that again. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Nightpaw. You do? um, I'm gonna try that again. Sorry. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Nightpaw. You do? Okay. Next one is Snowpaw, I think. Hold on. Let me check something. Sorry. Dagger. Golden leaf. Okay, I'm gonna do golden leaf. What would be what would be so nice? Don't scream like that. Or hold on, sorry. Don't scream like that. For StarClan's sake, what are you two being For StarClan's for StarClan's sake, why are you two being so friendly? Don't forget you're from different clans. What would be so nice? Sorry, I just had to redo that first line. Okay, so that's Golden Leaf. Next one would be Snowpaw. Snowpaw. Okay. How was your first day as an apprentice? Why? Next one is... Okay, I'll try Spotted Tail, just 'cause. Spotted Tail. Enough chatting, Snowpaw. The clan is short on herbs. We need to collect some. Let's go. It's probably Woodpaw's and Swallowpaw's warrior ceremony. Okay. Next one is Swallowheart. And I think that's the last one. Father! Or, Father! I do. Okay. That's it.